All right, so I just got a really nice beauty tool in and wanted to be able to share it with you. So it came in this really cute case, and it's a two-parter. So we have a Gua Sha tool, and then we also have a Gua Sha brush. And this thing is just fantastic. These bristles are so nice, and it just feels like a very luxurious makeup brush. So I'll show you this in just a minute. But Gua Sha, this is a beauty tool that's used for lymphatic drainage. So as you are scraping across the skin like this, you're pulling up on the cheekbone area, right here where a lot of people carry extra, I would call it puffiness, along the jawline and under the neckline. It actually, instead of puffiness, some people think it's just fat. It could be lymphatic drainage that really needs to be pushed out, basically drained, right? And so you can remove a lot of puffiness from your face, and this is just overall really good for circulation in your face, and again, lymphatic drainage. So you've got this particular tool, really nice, very sturdy. Some of these come in like a quartz or a jade. This one is a stainless steel. I did sanitize this before I used it because I just got it in the mail. But here again, we've got the jawline that I'm focused on draining. We've got the cheekbones being able to go up, and really just massaging the face, putting a little bit of pressure on there, because at the end of the day, it's a massage. I actually go to a massage place that I have a monthly membership at, and there is a lady there who's from Korea, and so she actually uses this on my back. And she said what she's doing is she's basically scraping the muscles and she's cleaning the muscles, and she's getting all of that fat. She's breaking up all the fascia, and she's getting all of the drainage and everything out. And so think of that when you are massaging your face with one of these. It's got really good pressure, pushing on all of the lymphatic area, all of the capillaries, and really being able to provide your face a really nice massage. And then when you're done with this tool, because your body has received a little bit of a workout there, you have this really nice brush that's gonna go in the same type of way, right? You're still using it on the jawline, you're using it on the neck, you're using it upwards towards the cheekbones. This is a really nice brush that's got a really nice calming effect. So if you're looking for a really nice gift to give someone, or just add to your beauty routine, certainly recommend checking this out, especially with the cool case that comes with it. Being able to have both of these things as part of your beauty routine will certainly change your life. So check this out.